Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I have a Leslie 147 on the desk, and smooth it in place so you can see. I've already installed, partially, that is, a new console load resistor switch. Here's the switch, the new switch. Let me show you the old load resistor switch. Here it is. This thing it was broken. In two. Yes, that's what it looked like. And so I removed that one from the unit, replaced it with a brand new one, and I'll show you how it'll connect. It's set up so that the first pole here will have nothing on it. That's the open position. The second pole, we have the white wire, and here's the white wire coming off the resistors here. That's the common end, and then the black wire here will go, and that's 8. That's the 8 ohm, and then the black wire here coming off the resistor will go here to the 16 ohm position. Now, for of course the Leslie 147, in most applications, like on a B3, C3, you're going to be using the open position. Then you would use the 8 ohm position if you were going to be putting a 147 with an A100 and a 26-1 kit, so you could turn the internal speakers on and off, control the internal speakers along with a Leslie, unless you set the 26-1 kit so that you have to install a resistor in the proper location in the 26-1 kit. And that way you would then be able to turn the Leslie, this amplifier load resistor switch, to the open position. But you have to modify the 26-1 kit in order for this Leslie 147 to be placed in the open position to play it with a Hammond A100 when you want to use a 26-1 kit and control the internal as well as the Leslie speaker. All right, so that's a little bit more complicated than what I want to get into, but I made a video on that some time ago, so you can go back and look at that. But for this video, I'm just simply showing you because for the organ that I have set up, that I'm working on, this is what it's going to be here. Okay, so the open position, 8 ohm and 16 ohm wiring position. There it is. Okay, so then of course I have other things that I have to do. I'm replacing this Amphenol connector plug, all of this, the wires. This will go here, that'll connect to the purple and red. I've already taken care of this, the relay, solid state relay down there. I'm gonna replace the volume pot. Look how that thing is just somebody soldered a piece out here. I think I saw a wire coming out here or something. I mean, it's just mad. That's bad. So I'm gonna replace all of that. Of course, this is broken off, so I'll take care of that, and I'll replace these 2 caps and cathode resistor here as well. All right. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Getting some work done in the shop today. Till the next video. Peace out.